Namaste, dear students, and welcome in RSV Higher Secondary School online classes of science for class 8th. I am Anju Tiwari, your science teacher, is with you to discuss chapter 7th Conservation of Plants and Animals. The aim of this chapter is to understand what is biodiversity, what are the causes of loss of biodiversity, consequences of destroying the biodiversity, and what steps should we take to conserve biodiversity. For introduction, let's start with the nature. Nature is a boon to us. The part of the earth in which living and non living organisms exist is called the biosphere. It contains a huge variety of species living in it that interdepends on each other. The interrelationship of the species and their relationship with the environment to support life is called biological diversity or biodiversity. Biodiversity means the diverse variety of plants, animals, along with microorganisms living in a particular region. About 10 millions of species of organisms are estimated to inhabit the earth, although we actually know only 1 or 2 millions of them. Terms associated with biodiversity. These are species, ecosystem, habitat. One by one, we will discuss individually the each term. Species. A species refers to group of organisms, plants or animals that have common characteristics and can interbreed among themselves. For example, human beings form one type of animal species. Ecosystem made of all the plants and animals and microorganisms in area along with the non-living components such as climate, soil, water, etc. It is the relationship between a biotic community, plants and animals, with a biotic environment. Example is forest, desert, mountain, lake, etc. Now we will discuss what is habitat. Natural environment of a plant or animal species where it lives and reproduces is called habitat. Here on your screen, you are able to see different kinds of habitat. This picture shows the interrelationship between plants, animals, insects, and microorganisms. Now we will discuss causes of loss of biodiversity. And the main causes are illegal hunting, pollution, natural disasters, exotic species, and deforestation. Illegal hunting. In this, animals are hunted for their skin, fur, meat, and other body parts. Pollution, that are of different types, soil, air, and water, adversely affects many plants and animals. Natural disasters such as earthquake, floods, droughts, and cyclone lead to decrease in the number of plants and animals in many areas. Exotic species, that means animals and plants that do not belong to a particular place originally and are introduced from elsewhere. Deforestation means cutting down of trees for any other purpose. Deforestation, the clearing of forest and using the land for other purposes, is called deforestation. The causes for deforestation are procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, using wood as fuel or making furniture, etc. The natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and droughts. Consequences of deforestation. The consequences of deforestation are increasing in level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere may lead to an increase in temperature on the earth, which is called global warming. Decreases in the rainfall leading to drought. Decrease in groundwater level, decrease in water holding capacity of soil leads to floods. Deforestation is a major cause which leads to the change in soil properties. Physical properties of the soil get affected by plantation and vegetation. Trees prevent soil erosion. Fewer trees result in more soil erosion. Removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower, hard, and rocky layers. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. Gradually, the fertile land gets converted into deserts, and this is called desertification. Now, in our next video, we will talk about the conservation of forest and wildlife. Till then, goodbye.